Business Profile has become an essential tool for businesses looking to increase visibility, connect with customers, and grow their online presence. However, like any platform, it has both advantages and limitations that business owners should be aware of. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of using Google Business Profile in 2025 so you can make the most informed decision for your business. Starting with the pros, one of the biggest benefits is increased online visibility. Google Business Profile allows your business to appear on Google Search and Maps, making it easier for potential customers in your area to find you. This visibility is especially valuable for local businesses and service providers, as it can directly lead to more inquiries, visits, and sales. Another major advantage is customer engagement. The platform allows businesses to interact with clients through reviews, messaging, posts, and the Q&A section. Responding to reviews and inquiries shows that you value customer feedback and helps build trust. Positive engagement not only strengthens your reputation, but also encourages repeat business. Google Business Profile also offers valuable insights and analytics. You can track how customers find your listing, what actions they take, and which parts of your profile are most effective. This information allows you to optimize your profile and marketing strategies to attract more clients and improve overall performance. Additionally, it's free and easy to use, making it accessible for small businesses, freelancers, and larger companies alike. With features like photos, posts, and appointment options, you can manage your online presence efficiently without expensive tools or complicated software. On the other hand, there are some cons to consider. One limitation is that visibility is largely controlled by Google's algorithms. Even with a well-optimized profile, changes in search ranking or algorithm updates can affect how often your business appears in search results. This means businesses need to consistently maintain and optimize their profiles to remain competitive. Another drawback is that managing reviews can be challenging. While positive reviews boost credibility, negative reviews, even unfair ones, can impact your reputation. Responding professionally is essential, but it requires ongoing attention and effort. Finally, Google Business Profile may have limited customization options compared to a dedicated website or other marketing platforms. While you can add photos, posts, and descriptions, you're still confined to Google's format and design, which might not fully capture your brand identity. Overall, Google Business Profile offers tremendous benefits in terms of visibility, customer engagement, insights, and cost effectiveness, but it requires ongoing management, careful review handling, and some adaptation to Google's format limitations. Understanding both the pros and cons helps businesses leverage the platform effectively while mitigating potential challenges. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Use these insights to make the most of your Google Business Profile and grow your business online.